About what?
They were asking me questions I didn't understand.
About your
About
keys?
this, yeah. They said it's the same input. They were asking me if they had something built into it.
Like what?
I don't know. That's what I didn't understand. Power supplies are no, they built. No, they had the ones with power supplies
Tell me about this. The one up on top, yeah.
Well, right out of the box, it's the best thing there is.
What bands is covered? 6 through 20.
It's got a lifetime guarantee. It's got the highest gain. It's got bonus system laws.
So the A and B units, and I keep saying I'm going to make it.
You have the one that is, you got the PLC connector and you got the 90-degree elbow on it. That's why I was coming here to get an idea.
Oh wow, yeah, yeah.
Those are for friends.
Okay. Okay, good. Does it change a lot? Initially, yes. The first few years, I waited.
I wondered if you were around. I hadn't seen you yet.
Yeah, I sat at the car booth all day yesterday. I had to go to the bathroom
Well, I
once.
saw in the disco when I picked it up, Chuck was holding down the floor.
Yeah.
I saw Tio yesterday. I didn't see Jim. I saw him at 8 this morning.
Yeah,
Oh, and I saw an 8-wire Mike. Carlos.
right.
All the fun ones. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. I was lazy yesterday. I was like, I'll do all my walking today. I'm glad I did. It's cooler today. Get that done before lunchtime. Knock it out. But pretty good over here. Just kind of hit and miss sometimes.
Yesterday was slower than we were last week.
Oh, yeah.
What it is.
Right.
I'd say it's not surprising. It's not cool.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Put a birdhouse on.
Not without just giving stuff away or something, you know. And that don't do no good either.
Yeah.
No problem, no problem.
No.
Well, it's good to see you around. Take care.
Sort of. It is. I knew I had a couple of
Yes.
Excuse me, guys. Sure. Hi.
I thought it would take
It's not a bad habit. I hate being left alone at the table, so it's like we're, holding everybody back. So I got in a really bad habit.
Thank you. That was a good Philadelphia.
said he looked at YouTube and looked at him. I probably watched it 15 times. I figured out how to use it. Not clear. Even with a visual, it's not clear. Because he knows how to do it. He
Maybe there's
Okay, so that's your
It goes to, I know it goes to 40 liters. I don't know about 80.
me too. One thing.
Yeah, I don't mind buying it.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you making?
Good. I ain't gonna try to hold you up too long. I get a photo op.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine finally went back to regular engine.
And my contact is bothering me so bad, so I'm not wearing the wrist tie. Pollen and
Allergies and everything.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I just got in, so
Did you?
yeah. Made the 5-hour drive from Illinois.
Oh yeah.
Great shot. Hit the Dollar General right outside town. Like, I hope you got it back. I want some snacks. I promise I'm gonna be a patron. I'm gonna buy some things.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can go for it.